Number 1. Cardo Unisex Adult Packtalk Edge Helmet KIT. 40mm speakers with sound by JBL. Number 2. Cardo Spirit HD Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication Headset. Product 1. Experience crystal clear Bluetooth intercom like never before. Our wideband intercom covers 2 riders at a range of up to 600 m/0.4 miles. Product 2. Standard 3.5mm jack. These speakers fit practically any communicator on the market, no matter what brand. Number 3. Cardo Unisex Adult Packtalk Edge Second Helmet KIT. 40mm speakers with sound by JBL. Interchangeable boom wired microphones. Suitable for virtually all helmets. Standard 3.5mm jack. These speakers fit practically any communicator on the market, no matter what brand. Number 4. Cardo FREECOM-X/Spirit Second Helmet JBL KIT. Second helmet kit for FREECOM-X and Spirit models with sound by JBL. Cardo Systems FREECOM-X/Spirit Second Helmet JBL KIT. Package dimensions: 4.800 x 16.002 h x 14.198 w. Number 5. Cardo Packtalk Edge Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset Intercom Single Pack. Over-the-air update keeps your Packtalk Edge up to date easily with the Cardo Connect app. No cables needed. Built-in FM radio with RDS automatically finds the strongest signals whether in town or the middle of nowhere. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.